Hello friends, welcome to the third part of the tutorial how to crochet a unicorn. We've already made the body in the first part and the head in the second part. And now let's make a little cute tail. Make the first loop and 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we make one single crochet and the second one in the same loop. Then we make 3 single crochets in one loop. 1, 2, 3. In the next loop, 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Then 1, 2 in the next loop. 1, 2 in the next loop. 1, 2, 3 in the next one. 1, 2, 3. So we make 2 or 3 single crochets in each loop and crochet till the end of the chain. 1, 2. Make a chain, cut the thread, and we make 3 parts like this and fix them to the body. Add fiber fill and sew the head to the body. We sew each loop on the head and on the body, like this. Now our cute unicorn looks like this, and let's make the mane. We join the pink thread through the stitches. And make 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And as we made the tail, we make 3 or 2 single crochets into each loop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we make a slip stitch and we change the color. And then we continue with the blue thread and make 28 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27, 28, and 1, 2, 3 single crochets in the first loop, 1, 2, 3 in the second loop, in the next loop 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then we make a slip stitch with the pink thread. And make in the same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 31, 32. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the next loop 1, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, and go on. And in this way we crochet the mane through all the head, like this. In the end we make a slip stitch, a chain, cut the thread and another one and fix them. And then we hide the threads inside the toy. And our little unicorn is ready. Which one do you like more? I will be glad to see the photos of your toys. Send them to my Instagram. I leave the link in the description to this video. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.